going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media and I'm back with another video. Today I have two friends in the house. You already know who Min is. I haven't seen Min in the vlogs in a little while. He has the WRX outside. And we also have his buddy over here who has a BK1 Genesis coupe.
Oh,
so
I never introduced, I don't know if y'all did. Chase. Justin.
Chase, yeah. We kind of met earlier when we were doing workout, but so we have their cars both in white right outside. Bag boys in white. I'll show you guys later. Right now they're right outside. You add up or add out? Up. It's all good. So right now they're both on stock wheels because they're changing wheel setups pretty soon. So stay tuned for that. That should be pretty exciting. But we're just here to chill. Min hasn't seen the new turbo stuff yet, so he definitely knows more about turbo stuff than I do. So let's check it out. So it came in 4 different boxes. So everything stock is in here. Everything off the market I got so far is in here.
Damn, those are pretty.
I know, I was like, oh, okay, so these are the titanium upper intercooler piping. I couldn't find the lower intercooler piping yet. So,
you know, if anything, bro, just go to, I don't know if you can put this in the vlog or not, but Mondo, he's at Boost Logic and they do welding TI. I'm sure he can make something happen.
So I heard because like the OEM one can't fit because of the angle on the Lancers is kind of weird.
Yep.
And then these are the ARC stuff. This is the ARC. I don't know. The guy told me it's a blow-up valve pipe. It doesn't say ARC anywhere.
So the blow-up valve pipe is the cold pipe.
Oh, okay.
Or no, it's the hot pipe because that's when it ventilates the air, the boost before the engine.
It's so skinny. So
yeah, that's what I'm saying. Which is like I don't know about this, but this is the one that goes over the in the front, right?
Kind of close by the intake.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then
the box.
And then that is the ARC stuff that with this. I don't know where this guy's supposed to go with. This thing. I love ARC stuff, so
it's really hard to find.
It is hard to find.
Yeah.
I've been looking for. I mean, the deals come out once in a while, but man, this thing. I've been like, it's one of those dream parts that I want, you know.
It's such an evil thing too.
Yeah.
It is, really. So all here are the stock stuff. So I still have an ARC intercooler that I'm waiting for. So I was telling Min, I was like, I wanted an ARC or HKS intercooler, which are super hard to find, super rare. A lot of Evo owners own like AMS or ETS intercooler, which you know,
which is still a good brand.
It's a great brand. Don't get me wrong, but I wanted something unique and different. So okay, run down here. What's what? So this looks like the stock upper intercooler piping, right? Or is it lower?
It's some sort of piping. This is your blow-up valve.
That's the blow valve.
Well,
okay.
It's probably a recirculation valve. Yeah, because that's recirc is just the way to go when you're stock.
Okay.
So look. This looks like your down pipe. This looks like intake piping.
Intake pipe. Okay. You can put it on the ground. It's fine.
Some more coolant hoses and whatnot. This looks like
is it all
oil return or feed. This looks like oil return or feed. This looks like coolant for the turbo. Yeah, it looks like coolant. This is probably another hard line for something, probably for coolant.
Oil.
Yeah,
oil.
Yeah, for more oil. What is this? Oh, this is a fuel pump?
Fuel pump, yeah, looks like.
Yeah, fuel pump.
So the setup, there's a lot of ways people do it. You can buy the whole kit. A few brands make it, but they're hella expensive. Or you can get the OEM setup, which is what I got. There's the OEM Evo 10 setup and the Ralliart setup. This is the Ralliart setup. From what I know, it's a little bit different. Besides the size of the turbo, apparently like the manifold, the turbo manifold is a little different. Let's see. So these go together.
Looks like this is a part of your intercooler because this is like for vacuum and whatnot.
Yeah.
This might go like something like this or something like that maybe.
Okay.
Because on the Subarus it's a 2-bolt like this stock. So that's what it looks like. And then more intake, intercooler. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah. So it looks like the only thing you may have to worry about is like how you're gonna like a map setup or something. I don't know if your car is map for map setup.
Yeah.
So like if I were to boost like a stock WRX,
yeah,
it's map setup. So I would have to place a MAF sensor somewhere, you know?
So let's see. I have a little guide that I found on forums.
Yeah.
That let's see. So there's this guy. So same setup.
It's based off of MAF.
So you guys haven't seen the actual turbo yet. I kept turbo in the room. I mean, it's right by me. You know, Had to hug it to sleep. But yeah, let me show you guys the turbo. I think the manifold is with the turbo. There's no manifold in there, right? You don't see it?
No, there's no manifold.
Okay, it's probably in the room then. Alright, and over here we have the Terpskis. This thing is heavy.
With the manifold? What the hell?
Is it like a little weird?
Where's the rest of it?
Oh, where did the manifold go? I had it somewhere. It's probably in the box then. Because this is not the turbo manifold, but I did receive it.
I would, hey, no.
Sophia?
Stop. That's what it
It's
is.
like, smells like oil here.
Oh, that's where that
Yeah, that little
tube-
small pipe?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's where it goes.
No, the black small pipe? Okay. Terpskis.
I would probably replace this. You don't have to, but it would be a good measure. It's V-bend. Oh, that's nice. It's really small though.
You check shaft play already?
The guy who I bought it from, he's like, I asked him about shaft play. He's like, it's pretty good.
I don't know. That's pretty tight to me, buddy. Actually, well, there's really, ow, bitch. There's really minimal. Like super minimal. It's not like I can do this, you know.
Yeah, it's like that in here.
This is your wastegate, your stock wastegate. You're probably gonna run off the spring pressure for now if you don't want to get an external. When you do get an external, which is more like for more boost and more boost control and safety.
So
and shit
the
like
thing is, I can't really run too much boost right now. My tuner is telling me like right now just go 5 to 7 pounds max, just because of just to make stock motor. Yeah, it's not built trans and all that.
This is probably you're probably gonna run off spring pressure, which is whatever stock may be.
Okay.
So yeah, and I don't really know how it is for Mitsubishis and Evos and stuff. But for Subarus, we do have to delete this, and there's like a block-off plate and whatnot to go next.
He did mention something about a block-off plate, almost like a EGR, something like that. Block-off. So Terpskis there. Where's my manifold? I'm pretty sure it has to be in one of those boxes. I mean,
God.
don't tell me I throw it away by accident.
Oh my God.
That would be bad. So I didn't get to show you guys earlier, but here is Min's Subaru WRX. Like I said, right now he's back on stock wheels. He is going to be rocking the Workmeister 3-piece wheels from the Lexus IS 300. So right now they're getting rebuilt, right?
Yeah, and completed, triple completed.
So it'll take a little while. And then we have Chase's Genesis Coupe over here. Quite a few carbon fiber pieces. Also on stock wheels for now, but he has some work wheels coming in pretty soon. So yeah, both of them white cars, both on bags. And Chase will be doing like a exhaust setup pretty soon on it. Right now he doesn't like how it sounds. It's gonna have a Grady exhaust going on pretty soon. You have the Grady muffler tip with you in the car? Let's check it out.
Damn, look at that.
Ooh.
Purple.
Dang, that's custom, right?
Yeah.
Dang, that's pretty clean.
Look at his trunk, or like his back seat.
Oh shit, dang, that's really cool. Wow. Let me come around, check out the Grady muffler tip. Grady. Ooh, looking good. Is this the
followers now?
was it Grady TI or
This is the RS.
RS? Sorry,
Racing
TI is
style.
The
Tomei, right?
titanium. No,
Oh,
there's
titanium?
a TI, the titanium one.
Okay,
for
cool,
Grady.
cool. So it says Grady on the side right here.
Yeah.
Cool, that's pretty clean. Nice, man. So yeah, hopefully, I think he called the muffler shop. Hopefully tomorrow he can get it welded on. It'll be pretty cool.
Hopefully so.
I mean, honestly, I guess you own the car, so you know better. But for me, hearing it like that doesn't sound too bad. I mean,
After 3K? Yeah, after 3K, it's
So-
pretty bad.
true, yeah, on the highway, a lot of drone and stuff.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that sounds not so good. Yeah, I see what you mean.
That's like maybe not even.
That wasn't even that.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
So after 3K, it gets really loud.
Yeah, I can see what you mean. Kind of sound like a weed whacker,
Yeah.
like a Honda.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay. Nice, man. So pretty cool. These guys gonna head out in a little bit.
Nah. I got a little bit darker. Just a little bit, not that much.
Got an intake.
About it.
So Chase has a bunch of plans coming up for the Genesis.
RS Turbo, Ready RS.
Ain't getting no Grady for it though.
So he's trying to make some more power on stock block. Is that what the plan is? You're not gonna
keep it stock
keep it
motor,
stock?
just bigger turbo, maybe E85 and probably just intercooler. I have all the other full bolt-ons. So.
Bro, how do you get to your camper plate?
I don't.
For real?
So
Can't, like,
pretty
max it out.
crazy. More plans coming. So if you guys want to check out his Genesis, that's his social media. Alright, so we just spent some time, like say, hanging out with the boys, Min as well as Chase. We were actually in the house just hanging out watching Initial D. So if any of you guys know what Initial D is, there's a manga as well as an anime. But there's also a movie if you guys didn't know. So personally, this is my all-time favorite car movie. I know some people love Fast and Furious series, but I love Initial D. So here's the DVD. There is a movie, like I said, I believe you can find it on Netflix as well with subtitle translation. So just type out Initial D on Netflix, you get to watch it. But why I like it is because there's a lot of, so I love JDM car culture, like Japanese car culture. There's a bunch of JDM cars like your AE86, GTR, FCRX7, Sylvias, cool stuff like that. Evos, Evo 5s, Evo 4s, so really cool stuff. They also do show like shifting and like the leg work, as well as information about tuning and brakes and suspension. So I thought that was really cool. Personally, I think like there's a lot of drifting in it, so there's a lot of like, I guess, driver mod and driver skill involved to the movie compared to straight line racing. This is in my opinion. But yeah, in general, just always a good time hanging out with the boys. I just mainly wanted to show Min the turbo setup so he has a rough idea how to get it done. So like I said, he came by, saw the turbo. We do need to get some work done, but if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe because we will be building the car up pretty soon. It's just that for now I do have 2 car shows coming up, Super Light Battle and Week Fest, that I'll be, you know, I guess preparing for first. And the plan is after February, once those shows are over, I'm not registered for any shows for the rest of the year, and the plan is to actually build up the car first. So I'm gonna take it slow. I'm not gonna, you know, rush the build or anything with the turbo because I want things to do to be good, you know, tuning and all that stuff. I want everything to be put together really well. So make sure to stay tuned for that. And like I said, I do have a little surprise coming pretty soon for the build as well. So that part hopefully should arrive later this week to start of next week. So hopefully in the next few videos I'll be able to review what else I got for the car as well that's not related to the turbo. But if you guys stay to the very end, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Again, subscribe if you're new to the channel and hit the notification bell. We're trying to hit that 10K subs this year in 2020, which will happen pretty soon. So catch you guys in the next one.